begin a new line.
Read loud, beta. It's not audible. Ayush Parmar 2086, you read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read adding line breaks.
Okay, ma'am. Adding line breaks. In HTML, to begin a new line, BR tag is used. It is any empty tag. To add line breaks, type BR where you want the line break to acquire. For example, type BR at the end of the line. This is my first web page.
Okay, stop. So in HTML, to begin a new line, what you will use, which tag you will use? You will use the tag BR, that stands for break tag, which is used, it is an empty tag. You should remember break tag is an which tag? Empty tag. Underline the line. If fill-ups comes, what is a break tag? You should write it is an empty tag. So to add line breaks, what you will do, type, what is this called as? Which bracket is it? Tell me which bracket is it, better?
Ma'am, angular.
Angular, right? Angular brackets, open angle bracket and a close angle bracket. So open angle bracket BR stands for break. Then close angular bracket, where you want the line break to occur, means जहां पर आपको break देना है between the lines. Now, for example, just look at what is this? Which text editor is it? Which text editor is it? Anyone? Which text editor do we use to write the code for HTML?
Ma'am, program in Notepad.
Notepad, right? So types of editors we have studied in the previous chapter. They were of two types. One was WordPad, the other was the Notepad. So in HTML, we use Notepad. So I go here, I'm going to the start. I write Notepad. Okay, click on open. Notepad will be opened here. Now earlier I have written a code, right? I will just copy that. I will paste here. Control C I have selected for copy. Control V I have selected for pasting my text. Okay, the code appears here. Now what is written in your book, page number 47? The code, click this one, the first block. They have written how you start an HTML structure. You write what? HTML. You can just remove this dot type. It is for PHP. So HTML, then head, then title. Title they have given what? Learning. I'll change here. Learning HTML. LEARNING, learning HTML. They have given the title this. Okay. Is the screen visible, everyone?
No, ma'am.
Now the screen is visible.
No, ma'am.
Everyone. Now just let me know. Is it visible? Visible?
My only book is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Only book is visible.
Okay, no issues. Now it will be visible. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
see here we have typed HTML, then head, title. Title, what they have given in your book? What is the title?
Learning HTML.
Learning HTML. So I have written here learning HTML. Then I have closed what? What I have closed first? What I have closed first?
At last.
Which tag? Which structure I have closed first?
Title.
Right. Why title? Why not
Ma'am, title.
HTML?
Because
Why
you
title?
have opened it
Last.
Because
That's because HTML read it last.
because I have opened it at the last title. So I will close it at the first. Then head I have closed, then body. Body I have started here. This is another part. First, I have written learning HTML. After it, I will write a paragraph. I will add a paragraph after the, sorry, I have closed the head. Paragraph I will write inside the body. So heading, what I have given, what is the heading given in the book? My world. क्या heading दी है? My world. Given? I have given the heading my world. Got it? Then I have added a paragraph. After heading, we have started a paragraph. Which tag we use to write a paragraph? We have studied yesterday. Which tag? Answer me, which tag?
Ma'am, Notepad.
No. Which tag I'm asking? We have studied header tag. We have studied paragraph tag. So which tag we use for writing a paragraph?
P tag.
Yes, P tag. Got it. So I have started here P. I have opened the P tag here. Then paragraph, what I want to display, that I will write here. In your book, they have written hello, interrogation sign. This is
my first page.
my first page. Then now they have not closed the paragraph. Why? Because they want a break between the lines of a paragraph. So here they have used which tag? After the full stop, they have used a break tag. Which tag? Break, BR, which we are studying. Break tag. After a break tag, again, one more line they have entered. Let, what is it? Let us learn more
Let us learn about the tags values.
tags, comma, anything you can write. Attributes and add sign, you know how to put shift plus and the add sign, values, whatever you can, then you can close the paragraph. आया समझ में? क्या किया? Inside the body we have included 3 tags. First is the heading tag. Heading में आपको क्या डिस्प्ले करवाना है? हेडिंग में आपको डिस्प्ले करवाना है माय वर्ल्ड, जैसे आपका चैप्टर 5 का हेडिंग है क्रिएटिंग वेब पेज यूजिंग HTML. In the same way, the heading of your this paragraph will be my world. Then you close the heading tag. After that, you write a paragraph using the P tag. You start writing the paragraph here. Inside the paragraph, what you will write? Hello, this is my first page. Got it? Then you have closed the bracket. Sorry, you have given a break. You haven't closed the paragraph bracket here. आपने paragraph bracket को close नहीं किया. क्यों close नहीं किया? क्योंकि हम क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? We are studying adding line breaks. Okay, हमें break देना है किसके बीच में? 2 lines के बीच में we have to give a break. So which tag we will use to give a break? BR. So here I have given a BR tag. Okay, break tag I have given here. The other line I have entered here is let us learn more. Just give me a second, I have to plug in. So break tag I have given to break the 2 lines. 2 lines को तोड़ने के लिए means gap रखने के लिए I have used a break tag. The other line is let us learn more about tags. Whatever you want to display, you can practice it at your home also. All those who have computers, all those who have laptops. How many of you have? Okay. So all those who have, they can practice it. Notepad हर किसी के इसमें होता है, right? So you can open, you can write the code, you can practice each and every tag here. Got it? but no spelling mistake should be there, no space, जितना जिसके बीच में स्पेस है उतना होना चाहिए. If a word is wrong, if a tag is incorrect, आपका आउटपुट नहीं आएगा. Got it? उसके बाद हमने क्या किया, पैराग्राफ टैग को क्लोज कर दिया. Look here everyone, पैराग्राफ टैग को क्लोज कर दिया. उसके बाद हमने क्या क्लोज किया, बॉडी एंड HTML. अब हमने कोड लिख दिया. Where do we get the output of an HTML code? आनंदी, where do we get the output of an HTML code? जो हम कोड लिखते हैं HTML में, उसका आउटपुट हमें कहाँ मिलता है? 1033. Sorry, it's not clear.
I don't know.
Anyone else? The network issue is there. It's not clear what she's trying to say. Anyone else? Saksham 1948. Where do we see the output? इसका जो हमें आउटपुट मिलता है कहाँ मिलता है? Where do we get the output of a HTML code?
I mean Mozilla Firefox.
Very good.
Fox, sorry.
Shiva. Very good. So what is the Mozilla Firefox? Only in Mozilla, not in Chrome, not in Bing. Any web browser. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Any web browser. So यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया? The code which I have written here, I will go to file. मैं इसको फिर से क्या कर दूंगी? Save कर दूंगी. Why not save as? Huh? I have earlier also created, but that was deleted. So what I will do? I will go to save as. I'll again give a name. What? Any. First, which extension I'll save the HTML code? Dot HTML. Where I'm saving, I'll save it on
HTML.
desktop.
First HTML.
It already exists, so I want to replace that. Yes. So अब मैंने इसका सेव कर लिया output. So where I will see its output? See, this is the first. Can you look here? This. Right click. Open with, I'm using Google Chrome. Whatever browsing software you can use. It is scrolling, it is taking some time. The system is a bit slower. So you will get the exact output which is there on page number 47, web page in Mozilla Firefox. Okay. Got it? Can you see? Same output.
Yes, ma'am.
Just match it with your books. Match the same lines, the same code, same space in your books. Is it so? Same है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So output में क्या difference है? हमने क्या किया? First one, hello, this is my first page. इसके बाद हमने अगर break नहीं apply किया होता, if we haven't applied the break tag, what would happen? ये जो let है, let us learn, this would have started from here only after the full stop. But we have applied which tag? Break tag. So break tag क्या करेगा? उस line को break कर देगा और the sentence moves to the other line. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ramini,
Yes, ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ananya, clear? On your camera, no one's camera should be off. Quick, on your camera, else I'll remove you right now only. If someone is teaching, you should be obedient. You should turn on your cameras. Ria, on your cameras, quick. Got it? So next, So BR is a good option for short lines of text that appear one after another as at least no space at the beginning of a line. Space nahi aata hai. Got it? How you got the output? Next topic is drawing horizontal rules. So all those who have computers at home, they can practice this practical on page number 47. Okay. In the same way, you'll write the code here. You'll go save and you will see the output in the browser. Got it? So next we have drawing the horizontal rules. Drawing the horizontal rules. Rules means, anyone can tell me what do you mean by rules? Vanshika, start reading beta 1192.
Yes, ma'am.
I can
Drawing
say
horizontal rule.
Pado.
Horizontal rule. HR are simple horizontal lines spread across the width of the web page or the screen. It is an empty tag that can be used to separate different parts of the text from one another. You can also use it as a decorative tool and make the page more readable. In HTML, to add horizontal lines, angular bracket HR angular bracket close tag is used.
Okay. So what is it? Horizontal rules or which tag? HR tag. In your question answers, fill-ups can be asked. HR stands for. So what it stands for? HR horizontal rule. Then they are the simple horizontal lines. The rules means lines. So simple lines hoti hai. You can move to the next page and see how the horizontal rules are there after my world. Page number 48. So line spread across the breadth of the web page or the screen. It is an empty tag. Again, it is an which tag? Empty tag. And which we use to separate different parts of the text from one another. मतलब एक text को दूसरे text से separate करना है, then we use the horizontal rules. Okay. You can also use it a decorative tool. Decoration के लिए भी means to make your text look much more innovative. अच्छा दिखने के लिए आप इसको use कर सकते हो. And the page much more readable. In HTML, to add horizontal lines, HR tag is used. Underline. HTML में अगर आपको horizontal lines add करनी है, which tag you make use of?
अच्छा.
Which tag?
HR tag.
HTML? Who is saying HTML? Which tag?
HR.
HR. HR stands for?
Horizontal rules.
Can you see here, everyone? To draw horizontal rules, type the tag HR where you want the, जहां पे भी आपको ये वाली दो lines दिख रही है, everyone.
Yes, ma'am,
Yes.
दिख रही है.
Wherever you want these two lines to be displayed, there you can use which tag? HR, horizontal tag. जहां पे आप HR tag use कर दोगे, there you will get these two lines. Okay. So now we'll add these two lines in our text also. We have written our text here. Look here, everyone. So here, they have written, they want a line after my world. So after the heading, they have given the which tag? HR tag. Open angle bracket, HR tag, close angle bracket. Okay. अगर एक line चाहिए, एक बार लिखो, दो lines चाहिए, you can write two times. Horizontal rules. Rest is same. Then again, what you will do, you'll go to file and you will save. Where it will be saved in the original, जहां पे मैंने पहले save किया था desktop पे, उसी में जाके ये changes save होगी. Okay, again I will see its output. Right click, open with. दिख रहा सबको?
Yes.
What happened? What happened? What we got? We got horizontal rules. The rules means lines. मैंने दो बार HR tag use किया था, दो lines मिल गई. If I used HR tag once, here if I remove one tag, again I'll save it. अगर आप save नहीं करोगे, you won't see the changes here. Again open with one line. दिख रहा है? one horizontal rule, one line. Two number of you can make it. It's your requirement. जैसे आपको दिखाना है आउटपुट में, accordingly you can make use of things. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone any doubt to add the horizontal rules? Next is adding color to the lines. अब हमारे पास जो lines हैं, ये जो rules हमने draw किए, how to add what colors to these lines. So adding color to the lines. Who will read? Harsh 1044. Start reading, beta. Harsh 1044.
Yes, ma'am. Adding colors to the line. Normally, an HR tag is used to display a gray colored line. You can change the color of the line by adding a color attribute and specifying the name of the color you want. Add the color to the horizontal rules type HR color name of color.
Okay. So adding color to the lines. अगर अब जो ये हमने ऊपर lines draw की, ये जो हमने lines draw की थी using HR tag, इनको अगर आपको color करना है, how you can do in normal, what is the color of the horizontal rules? जो normal color होता है, which color is it? Sorry, here.
Black.
Which color is it? Black.
Ma'am, gray.
Ananya, which color? जो नॉर्मली HR टैग मींस जो लाइन यूज होती है उसका कलर क्या होता है? ग्रे. दिख रहा है ना, ग्रे कलर है ये, नॉट ब्लैक, इट इज ग्रे. यहाँ पे देखिए ऑन द स्क्रीन ग्रे कलर. अगर इसका आपको कलर चेंज करना है, यू कैन यूज एड कलर टू द लाइंस. So you can add colors to the lines. Normally HR tag is used to display gray color. Underline करो, fill-ups आ सकता है. Which color? Gray color. जो normal होता है. You can change the color of the line by adding the color attribute. Color attribute को आप add कर सकते हो. Specifying the name of, और जो color आपको रखना है वो name आपको उस color का add करना है. Have a look here in the book the code. HTML लिखा, the syntax is same. कोई भी प्रोग्राम आप लिखते हो, syntax is same. HTML ओपन किया, हेड ओपन किया, टाइटल दे दिया लर्निंग HTML. कुछ भी आपको डिस्प्ले करवाना है आप करवा सकते हो. You have closed the head, you have opened the body. HTML को सबसे एंड में क्लोज करोगे. Got it? Why? Because we have opened it at the first. फिर हमने बॉडी ओपन किया, हेडिंग दे दी माय वर्ल्ड, फिर HR के बाद हमने कलर क्यों लिखा, पहले क्यों नहीं लिख दिया? Anyone? Why we have written our color after HR? Why not before HR? Ananya 2833. Ananya 2833. Why we have written the color after HR, not before body or anywhere here? इसके बाद ही क्यों लिखा? Yes. आंसर भी. अभिमन्यु भाटिया. बताओ पहले क्यों नहीं लिख दिया हमने कलर? एनीवन इन द क्लास?
क्योंकि हमें हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन पे कलर करते हैं.
Why? Because हमें जो है कलर दिखाना है किसको, हमें we have to show the color on the horizontal lines. That's why we have written the color after the HR tag. So HR के बाद हमने क्या लिखते हैं, कलर किसमें, blue. Then HR blue equals to red. फिर जो दूसरी लाइन थी उसको रेड कर दिया, एक को ब्लू कर दिया. Rest the code is same. So same I'll apply here. I'll go here. So after the HR tag, what is written? Color, COLOR, color equals to which color? I'll give here green. It's not necessary what is there in the book, you have to give that only. Okay, so I've given a green color to my line. Then again I'll use another tag. I'll close this first. So you have to write it here first. Just a second. So heading you have opened, color green दे दिया, फिर close कर दिया angular bracket. Second आपने फिर से एक और heading use कर ली. Number of headers you can use. Again you have written what? Color COLOR equals to red bracket close. एक और heading मैंने दे दी HR color 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 equals to I can give it a pink closed the bracket. Can you see here? Again I'll go to what? I will save the changes which I have made over here. The changes which are saved will be reflected where? कहाँ पर changes show होंगी आपको?
Desktop.
Desktop. Very good. Why? Because we have saved our program in the desktop. दिख रहा है सबको? Is it same?
Yes.
In your book, there are 2 lines. I have added one more header in my code. So I got 3 lines. Whatever color you can give to your headings. Got it? इस heading को मैं यहाँ पे भी लगा सकती हूँ. It depends. देखो, मैंने heading के बाद ये 3 lines add की थी. So here I have got after the heading my world के बाद 3 lines. Is that clear? How to add the color to the lines? Lines means rules. जो horizontal rules है, it means line only. Is that clear, everyone? Will you be able to write the code? In your exam, the code should be correct. Bracket open की है, उसको close की है. अगर code सही होगा, you will get the output exact. Otherwise, it's wrong. You will not get the output. Is that clear? All those who have computers, all those who have laptops in their home, practice these codes. देख के लिखो, एक बार लिखो, 2 बार लिखो, but it should be correct. Starting same है सबका, head, HTML, head, title, body. Changes इस area में होती है inside the body. Got it?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Next we have, so the color you can do the practical of the color on page 48 also if you have computers at home. This one. So BR, HR are empty tags. Mark it. Name the types of empty tags. So BR and HR. BR stands for break tag. HR stands for horizontal rule tag. So they do not require closing tags. ये दोनों क्या होते हैं? They are empty tags. इसलिए उनको क्लोज करना जरूरी नहीं होता है. ठीक है, तो कैन यू लुक है, हमने क्लोज किया नहीं किया, राइट? वी हैवंट क्लोज्ड द ब्रेक टैग. जो ब्रेक टैग हमने ओपन किया तो उसको हमने क्लोज नहीं किया. हॉरिजॉन्टल टैग को भी हमने क्लोज नहीं किया. लगा पता?
Yes.
Why we have not closed it? Because they are empty tags. Got it?
Yes,
So MCQs, who will quickly discuss? Kanika, 2934. Page number 49 MCQs.
Yes, ma'am. Header tag can
Only
have
one
the
first
value.
MCQ.
Yes, ma'am.
You will tell only the first MCQ with the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Header tag can have the value from that 1 to 6.
So tell the 3 options and then the answer.
Okay, ma'am. A part 0 to 5, B part 1 to 6, C part 1 to 9, B part 1 to 6.
So what will be the answer? Header tag can have the value from, what is the range of the values?
1 to
1 to
Everyone has done 1 to 6. All those who haven't done, do it. Next one, Shika, 1192.
Yes, ma'am. Number 2, Dash is a markup language. A part EXML, B DLL, C XML, M XML.
What is the full form of XML? Just look in your book and then tell me. first, last, previous chapter, or it might be in this chapter also. Previous chapter.
Extensible
Extensible
markup language.
language. Got it, everyone? All those who haven't done. Ananya, on your camera, quick. Third. Ananya, tell third one. Ananya,
As
Dogra.
bullet bracket field, as bullet bracket close tag is used to add a dash in a web page. A image, B hyperlink, C paragraph. And paragraph.
So,
paragraph.
paragraph add करने के लिए which tag you make use of? P tag, okay? Paragraph, P tag. कैसे लिखते हैं? Open angle bracket, then paragraph. Clear है सबको? Anyone जिसने नहीं किया है? They can do it right now.
Done.
So next we have formatting the text. Formatting the text. Who will read formatting the text? Just let me check. Kritik 1022. Start reading formatting the text.
Yes, ma'am. Formatting the text. You already know about formatting. You can also use formatting in HTML using font tag with the different attributes. Changing font. You must choose the font of your text to be displayed carefully. While choosing font, you have to consider the availability of same font type in the computer where other users view the web page. To change the font, do the following. Number 1, type the tag font with the attribute face as font face is equal to font name. For example, font face is equal to monotype Karishiwa. Number 2, type the text. Number 3, type the closing tag /font. Changing the font size.
Okay,
Font
stop.
size.
So formatting text. What do you mean by formatting? Formatting से क्या समझ आता है? Anyone? Anyone in the class? What do you understand by the word formatting? You already know about formatting. You can also use formatting in HTML using font tag with the different attributes. Formatting means आप अपने टेक्स्ट के साथ कुछ भी चेंजेस कर सकते हो, उसको बड़ा बना सकते हो, राइट, बड़े को छोटा बना सकते हो, कलर ऐड कर सकते हो, नंबर ऑफ चेंजेस यू कैन डू टू योर टेक्स्ट, दैट इज फॉर्मेटिंग. सो व्हिच टैग यू यूज फॉर फॉर्मेटिंग इन HTML?
Font tag.
Font tag. FONT, font. So changing font, how you change it? Choose the font of your text to be displayed carefully. जो आपको font रखना है वो आप carefully select कर सकते हो. While choosing font, you have to consider availability of the same font type in the computer. जो आपने font रखना है वो कंप्यूटर में होना चाहिए, right? होगा तभी तो आप रख पाओगे. So where other users view the web pages, और उस कंप्यूटर में भी होना चाहिए जहां पे वो व्यू करता है. The other user should view it. So to change the font, we have the following steps. Type the tag font with the attribute face as font face equals to font name. क्या होगा? Example, इन्होंने क्या कर दिया? कौन सा font face है? Monotype Corsiva. Then उसके बाद आपने text लिखना है. Then you will close the font tag. Clear? So now remember, you can put any number of fonts each separated by a comma. Comma लगा के आप जितना भी font लगाना चाहते हो, you can put it. This is used to make sure that if the first font is not available, the second or the third font will be there. So now changing font size. कैसे आप करते हो? Height and width of the character. Character का छोटा भी बना सकते हो, बड़ा भी, right? So change the font size. Type the tag which font with the attribute. पता है ना